Breaking news, Nigerians, is happening. Like what I always say, that this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case will even make his enemies be fighting themselves. You know, say, e get as God they do something, your enemies then go they fight themselves. Now so it go be. You understand? This is not the first time Binta Inyako, the judge presiding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case, I've had one or two issues with AGF Abubakar Malami concerning this case, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case. Record that on the 13th of October 2022, Appeal Court discharged Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But Malami said no, that Nnamdi Kanu only discharged, not acquitted. You understand? Now this one now we can they know say discharge, acquitted, not discharged. Now Malami mouth now we hear him. My people today, Binta Inyako, the judge presiding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case, she don't break silence. She says Abubakar Malami is frustrating judiciary system in Nigeria over Nnamdi Kanu's case. If not, this matter, they don't forget him. He said Binta Inyako, Abubakar Malami is the one holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You recall that when Appeal Court discharged Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Malami said no. They now went ahead, to appeal the case again, the Supreme Court. They never see talk that one finish. They carry and come back again to Federal High Court in Abuja. Now Binta Inyako can still pursue them go back. Say make them go back, go settle the matter, finish for Appeal Court. This AGF Abubakar Malami, we don't actually know what he have with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that is behaving like this. The same this man invaded his house in Afaruku Ibuku. You understand? That invasion took the life of 28 persons. They killed them. Till today, the killings are still going on in the southeast region. AGF Malami now they sign all those ones when they happen. The kind hatred when it get for Indigbo not get part two. You understand? The Attorney General of the Federation and the Minister of Justice, this Abubakar Malami, reacted to the decision of the Appeal Court to discharge the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Nnamdi Kanu. In a statement signed by Omar Jubiri Gwandu, the spokesman for the Attorney General's office, Malami said the Appeal Court only discharged Kanu and did not acquit him. So for that reason, Nnamdi Kanu is not leaving DSS custody. He said the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice has received the news of the decision of the Court of Appeal concerning the trial of Nnamdi Kanu. The statement said, for the avoidance of doubt and by the verdict of the court, Kanu will only discharged and not acquitted. Consequently, the appropriate legal options before the authorities will be exploited and communicated accordingly to the public. The decision handed down by the Court of Appeal was on a single issue that borders in rendition, Gwandu's statement noted. Let it be made clear to the general public that other issues that predate rendition on the basis of which Kanu jumped bail remain valid issues for the judiciary determination. He said the federal government will consider all the available options open to us on the judgment on rendition while pursuing determination of pre-rendition issues. So with this woman crying out now that Abubakar Malami is frustrating the judiciary system in Nigeria, what else do you want to know? That he is the one holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But you should not forget that power doesn't last. It's for just a matter of time. It will go. You understand? You cannot have it forever. You cannot have it forever. All these things that is happening right now, Malami should understand though that one day he's going to leave that office, and very soon it will happen. So the way he's going about all this matter here and there, you should understand that nothing lasts forever. Few months from now, they will leave office. And he's going to face all these things when he do. You understand? He's not even considering the situation in the southeast. What exactly is their issue? The same government that said they cannot help Mazi Nnamdi Kanu when the federal government, when President Muhammadu Buhari was approached by Igbo leaders to, apply political solution, they said they cannot help Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The same people now are still holding him. It's a pity. It's a pity. After court have discharged him, they are still holding him, meaning that they know what they are doing. Nnamdi Kanu is now having issue again with the government. So it's not like Nnamdi Kanu is having issues with Malami and President Muhammadu Buhari. The way it is now is really, a shame. We have turned to a laughing stock before the international community. A country where its own government disobey its own law. What do you call such a country? What do you call such a country? What do you call people, in that country? That is why they don't take us serious out there, because of the way our leaders have kept us. But this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case will bring them all down. I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comments.